Hey everybody, this is Joe Baker, 401k guy with our monthly website tips and tricks. And today I want to talk about some of the financial calculators that are available on the website. And once you log in, if you go to retirement resources and you go to other financial calculators, you get to this page. There's an entire list of dozens of calculators for pretty much any kind of financial situation that you want to look at. So I'm just going to talk about 5 that I think are real good to use. And first, if we're in the home financing calculator section, the 15-year versus 30-year mortgage calculator is great because it helps you decide if it makes more sense to use 15 or 30. And it all depends on your income level and how much income you have that you can put towards a mortgage payment. And that one's great. Then we also have the ARM or adjustable rate mortgage versus the fixed rate mortgage right here. And that's a great one too, especially with interest rates rising right now. It's important to make sure you make a good choice on this, especially if you're going to be in the home for a long period of time. And then the other one that I like here is the mortgage payoff calculator. And let's see, we're down right here. And basically what this does, it allows you to input if your payment is, say, $1,000 a month. If you started paying $1,500 a month, how quickly would you be able to pay off the mortgage? So it basically shows you how you can get rid of or pay off a mortgage quicker by adding amounts over and above your minimum mortgage payment. And this is real good calculator for you to take a look at. Then if we go down to the retirement finance section, first we'll go through the personal finance calculators, and there's a whole bunch here for auto loans, RVs, boats, all sorts of different things, and life insurance. But if we go down here to retirement finance calculators, we can look at one that I like is pretty cool, is the life expectancy calculator. And you can use this. Basically, it's going to ask you a bunch of questions about your life and your gender, smoking habits, current age, and also about your life expectancy history in your family as well. And this will crank out a number for you. So it kind of gives you a good educated guess about how long you're going to live. Obviously, it's just a guess, but at least it'll put you in a ballpark, and that way you can use that number when calculating how much retirement income you're going to need. Then the other one that I like in this section is the Roth IRA versus Traditional IRA calculator, which is right here. And this is kind of cool because then it'll tell you if it makes sense to convert a traditional IRA to a Roth IRA, or if it makes sense not to. And it's just a quick calculator, and I like this one because a lot of people are always saying, I would like to convert to a Roth, where sometimes it doesn't make sense for you, and it all depends on your situation. But this, again, dozens of calculators here for you to take a look at. And if you have any questions on these, obviously you can contact me. But go through these, and anytime you have a financial situation that you need to make a calculation for, check it out on this site, because there's probably a calculator here for you. And that's it. So if you have any other questions, please contact me. Otherwise, we'll talk to you next month. Take care.